The internet has revolutionized businesses worldwide. New technologies are continuing to change the way corporations interact electronically. By semantically describing web services, DIP will facilitate the automation of all the steps involved in the creation of new business services. DIP technology will also change the way business is conducted and the nature of business organizations. This will increase profitability and will open new market opportunities for companies in a wide variety of domains. Telecommunications is a fast-paced industry characterized by continuous change and fierce competition. BT is a big player in this sector where B2B integration with partners and suppliers is a major challenge. At the moment, many of these processes are hardwired and supported by communication channels like emails, fax, and human interaction. This state of affairs is about to change.
BT is increasingly diversifying into areas such as broadband, mobility and networked IT services. For a company like BT, clearly our traditional market is being eroded with the change from fixed line telecommunication services to more internet-based services. This means that in future our revenues are going to be dependent upon having a new type of service offering where we need to be very flexible and very agile, and that has an impact on the way we store and use information.
The virtual business trend in telecom services will continue. Network owners like BT will provide their own specialized services more cheaply. Semantic web services offer a chance to enter the market because they provide a robust technical solution to core infrastructure problems such as data and process management. The DIP project will bridge the gap between the involved legacy systems and applications and move from isolated components towards fully integrated e-commerce solutions.
One of the things the enterprise customer wants is a consolidated catalogue of the services of both partners presented in one place. So we would see semantic web services as a future technology for enabling us to easily integrate and maintain that service catalogue so it can be presented in a holistic way to the end user customer.
The financial sector faces many challenges, including new models for interacting with clients and authorities. In fact, the very nature and role of banks is currently in a state of flux. Bankinter is one of Spain's leading financial institutes in e-banking. One of the main pillars for Bankinter's business is selling mortgage products. Here, many different processes have to be covered by software solutions. For example, interbanking processes, processes between the bank and other institutes, and processes between the bank and its clients.
For us, a mortgage is the same that building a new car. You have plenty of parts and you have plenty of suppliers and you have plenty of products. With the mortgage, it's the same. We have plenty of suppliers and plenty of people that is working around products that must be delivered very personalized to a given customer in a given day. It's so complex that using integration with different systems and different people is the only way of delivering quality to the customer.
The use of semantic web services will give Bankinter the integration infrastructure required for future success, be it in the mortgage or in the stock market business. By creating new sales opportunities in new markets, or by improving service quality, Bankinter will be able to remain flexible and capable to adapt rapidly to technological and market changes. Bankinter also believes that DIP technology has the potential to have a positive impact in the market where efficiency is a fundamental requirement.
This is the only way of delivering quality, because you can assure that the data is available at the moment that you need it, no matter who is the owner or where it's located. This is a machine-to-machine talk. We think that using this technology in the same way that we did with the broker, that at the beginning we are putting in the hands of the real people, the tools as 10 years ago was only in the hands of very few companies. We are doing the same with this technology in order to empower the real people in doing the things that only a few companies can do today.
Semantic Web Services can also help governmental authorities in Europe to deliver more flexible and comprehensive electronic services to their citizens. Integration across multiple levels of government is a hard task because there are so many heterogeneous independent systems. Essex County Council is a leader when it comes to the integration of enterprise applications. The smooth, scalable and robust interoperability of the internal systems of the Essex County Council with the external systems of partner agencies is an important requirement for the delivery of joined-up governmental services.
At the moment, what we have are plans on IT systems. We also have hard copy plans, but they're all separate plans. We haven't got consolidated information at the press of a button, one button, to get all that information straight away, and that's what I need.
For any local authority, an emergency is a challenge. A number of third-party agencies have to be coordinated in order to provide help to the public. This requires a multi-channeled and complex information flow between different actors which has to be provided by the ICT infrastructure. The development of semantic web services through the DIP project can help to improve information integration and processing and thus leverage the quality of governmental services.
Semantic web services for us at Essex County Council is going to be a very important tool for us to use in an emergency. What it's about with semantic web services is to enable me to be able to provide information very quickly during an emergency. At the press of a button, I will be able to provide the response agencies, which include the police, fire and ambulance authorities, with information about the sort of resources that we can provide to assist our communities given an emergency situation.
With Semantic Web Services, the DIP project offers the unique possibility to provide interoperable and seamless information exchange between different software systems. Moreover, with DIP technology, we see a future where client requirements will automatically be transformed on the fly into corresponding new business applications which will be created by combining and configuring online services.